People want to be successful, but not everyone is willing to go to the process. You want the promise, but you don't want the process of going there. And alam naman natin, di ba, that whatever we want in life, kaya nating makuha. But haven't you asked yourself, bakit sila lang? Bakit hindi ako? Why are certain individuals very abundant and wealthy in their life, but nandito ako, stuck pa rin sa buhay ko? Hindi ka ba nagtataka? Did you know that it's because you are unwilling to go through the process? Kasi yung nakikita mong very successful individuals, hindi naging madali yung buhay nila. They had to go through a lot of trials and struggles to prove their worth. That's why I keep telling people this. Kaya mong makuha yung buhay na gusto mo. Pero merong kapalit. And that price, are you willing to pay for that? Because if you say yes, then expect that before mo makukuha yung gusto mo, you will be facing a lot of struggles. Just like climbing a mountain, di ba? Imaginein mo na lang, this is Mount Everest. Kumbaga, it has been your dream. Matagal mo nang gustong maklimb yung Mount Everest. And don't expect that in the first time that you do it, makaklimb mo kaagad. It's like climbing the peak to Mount Everest, marami kang challenges along the way. There might be crevasse, there might be pitfalls, there might be snowstorms along the way when you reach the peak. But think about this. Nandun pa rin yung peak ng Mount Everest. So the struggles that you will be facing are blessings. It's designed to assess. Titingnan if you deserve ba yung buhay na gusto mo. Titingnan muna. You will need to prove to life, to the universe, to the Lord, if yan ba talaga yung gusto mo. And are you willing to give whatever it takes for you to achieve that? Because every struggle that you face towards what you want is designed to make you better. It's designed to equip you with powerful tools. Tingnan mo ng maigi yung nangyayari sa buhay mo ngayon. You might be facing a struggle in your life that you start to question, you start to doubt, bakit nangyayari to sa buhay ko? But in reality, your breakthrough is coming. You just have to learn from your current struggle right now because it's designed to teach you something amazing. No, it's designed to teach you na pag natutunan mo to, the next step might be the one thing that you've always been asking for. So you just need to have faith. You just need to believe. Kasi yung tanong dito, yung gusto mo ba, is it really what you want? Or pa-feel ka lang, bro? No, kasi kung pa-feel ka lang, konting struggles lang, hindi ka magsasucceed. Dadala ka sa konting problema lang. If that is really what you want in life, then do whatever it takes. Do whatever it takes. Because pag na-break mo yung wall na yan, it will just keep building momentum. And lahat pala ng hinihingi mo is just right after that struggle. Now, it's not gonna be easy. Hindi siya magiging madali. But posible. Again, trust the process, embrace the process. Now, be open to the process because the process hindi siya madali, hindi siya magiging masarap, pero the result that you've always been wanting, not only the material things that you've been asking for, but the level of skill, the type of person that you will become after this, the level of confidence, ibang level. So again, where do you belong? Are you the type of guy who wants the promise but not the process? Or are you the type of person who believes that I will do whatever it takes? I will do whatever it takes. Once again, let me introduce myself. I'm June Acevedo. I'm a master coach and trainer in mindset mastery, and transformational leadership. I help entrepreneurs and business leaders break through mental and emotional barriers, develop unshakable confidence, and master high performance strategies so that you can scale your business, influence with impact, and achieve unstoppable success with neurolinguistic programming, timeline therapy, and hypnotherapy. There is a right process in achieving the life that you want.